If you're ready to get started in the spray foam insulation business, you will need a spray foam rig, materials, and training. Profoam's experienced team of professionals can get you a quote and even help with financing if you qualify. Once you choose your rig options and get that on order, we can schedule you for the next available training school at our Rutledge, Georgia headquarters. Many customers plan to pick up their rig the same week they come for the training, so they can learn on their own trailer rig before they drive it home and start making money. All of the business seminars and training classes are listed online at profoam.com, where you can register immediately and reserve your seats in any of the upcoming events. Profoam helps you get started in the spray foam insulation business. Click here to register for our one-day business seminar or our 4-day hands-on training school.